What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be getting the car ready for its first track day, which we've booked for...
Oh, I'm talking to the camera again.
Can't say stick on the internet, I don't think. But yeah, we're getting the car ready for its first track day, which we've booked for the 20th, I think, of October. Santa Pod. So we're going to be fitting the new tie rods, inners and outers, and we're going to roll the arches. And we've also got another set of wheels, like spares, so just a few bits and bobs. Got the new tie rods.
Feel lovely. Got away from my nose. Okay?
What? I was going for the tie rods, man. For once, I was actually going for the tie rods. Yeah, so we got new inners and outers. I don't know if they're long enough or what yet until adjusting, but I've still got the 91s which I can cut down and stuff if they're too short, but we'll try them first, see how it goes. Got loads of tyres here as well, but some of them need new tyres. Yeah, we got another set of Style 5s. These are actually 15s, the ones on our cars are 16s, but these are a good set of skid spares, so the long process of jacking it up. Got to use loads of different bits of wood to get the car raised just to be able to get the bloody jack underneath it. Let's go. Oh, and your nose has got to be in every video now. I want to get a sticker made of your nose. Send it. What we're going to do, I'm going to use the hub and then just get it reasonably straight like that. If you can see, it's towing out a lot at the moment, so just bring it in a bit and then we'll do the other side because the steering wheel's straight at the moment. We also put a little washer underneath it. Most people don't do that, but it's best to do that when chewing up the thing. Nice. So I don't really have a clue what I'm doing, but I think we need a little bit of toe out. And it looks like it's got a little bit. Obviously I don't think the fender actually comes inwards, that's why it don't look straight, but if you look down here to the other wheel you can just see the dish a tiny bit, so that means the toe's out. No, I don't know, I have no idea what I'm doing. We're just sort of winging it. Yeah, because if I line up, you can't see it on the camera, but if you line it up about there, that's flat with that, I think it's alright, I don't know. Might have to go and get an actual alignment. I don't know. Whatever. It's better than it was. The other side actually looks kind of aligned, but we need to change the tie rod anyway because it's a bit naff. I think it does need to come out a little bit more compared to that side anyway. I don't know. Let's just wing it. Alright, so we're going to roll the arches. I don't have a arch roller. We only want to just get rid of this lip. We're not like trying to flare them crazy or anything. So we're just going to warm the paint up with the hairdryer, get the hammer, put a bit of rag around the hammer and just gently tap it. Should do the trick. Chipped it a little bit, you can see that, bloody faked it. A little bit there and a little bit there, but oh well, drift car innit, doesn't really matter.
Wait for 2 weeks time.
We rolled it a bit, can't see anything in there, but It's not a huge amount, just a little bit to stop it catching the tyre. You're right there, mate. Oh, it's actually picking you up as a face. No case.
Sorry.
You nearly had no fingers.
Yeah, I know. It looks way better than it did before. It is towing in a little bit. It's towing in a tiny bit. Well, let's replace the other side. Let's see. That's what you got to do to jack this car up. So annoying the back comes up. You lift in the front of the car and the back comes up. Look at that angle. Gnarly. It just looks so mental. Never had a car with that much angle. Gnarly, bro. Got all the Style 5s. Loads of them. Huh? Don't know, don't mind. Hmm? Do you want marshmallows, Ross?
No.
Alright. Out with the old. In with the new. Swap these over. Alright, so I think we've got them roughly the same. It's really hard to tell, but I don't know. It's much better than it was anyway, at least it'll probably be drivable now. Oh yeah, hot chocolates. With the marshmallows. Ow, that's really hot. Thank you. Jesus.
Your phone.
Oh yeah, my phone was on top of that.
I don't even want to look.
Oh my god. What? What? How lucky is that? Oh my god. I don't know if you got that on camera, but the wind just blew that and catapulted my new phone. And it landed on the car. Jeez, what's the chance of that? Hat went in the water. Imagine that landed on the floor. It's raining. Standard. Alright. I'll get back to you in a minute. We're going to put these back on and I'm going to put the camera inside because it's going to get wet. And give these beasts a little wash. Might as well have them shiny. These are actually, what brand are they? FPS. There's like 3 different brands that make these wheels. There's the Fundos, there's these FPS, or there's the BBS. They're all the same. So yeah, these are the other Style 5s that we bought. Just gave them a quick clean. They're not bad. I think the tyres are pretty good, but this top one, the tyre's dead. So I'm gonna have to get one of these. The 15s, the ones on the car are 16s, but these are 15s. What size? Throwing my slippers. So these are 185/60 R15s. Yeah, we'll get one more of these, and then I've got these wheels over here. 2 of them are good and 2 are dead, so I need 2 of them, which are 205s. Probably put like 45/16 on them, and then that's it. We'll probably have 8 tyres. Not bad. Happy with these. We got these quite cheap. They're a bit battered, but they're skid wheels, so it don't matter. So yeah, today's probably quite a short video, just because, well, keeps raining and we've not got any more parts to fit on the car for now. Till next week probably. Yeah, next week maybe more parts, or I might do a car review on someone's car. Yeah, we've got the drift day booked for the 20th of October. We're going Santa Pod, so that should be pretty cool. Hopefully the car survives the day, otherwise it's a long walk home to get someone to tow us home. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.